So I'm laying here and it's Friday evening and I just got back from school. Well, I didn't just get back from school, I got back from school a couple hours ago. I just decided why not vlog my weekend, like why not vlog my whole weekend routine. So basically Fridays I get all of my homework done, but well, most of it done. I try to at least.
Notes, I watch a video and I do the reading for each unit in each chapter for A push. It's like yesterday I did 3.10, the reading, the notes, and the video, and today I'm gonna do 3.10, I think, but whatever. I'm gonna do the next one, the reading. You get the whole gist of it. But
yeah, I have a bunch of stuff to do, so we're gonna vlog it. Also, I think we're going to the movies tomorrow. I'm kind of tired too. Finished my breakfast and I love the sun. My room is so light, like it has so much sunlight coming in. But I just finished my breakfast and now I'm going to explain real quick what I'm doing. So I'm chunking my day into like 4 chunks. The first chunk is homework and like schoolwork and just like stuff that I have to like write and study and stuff. And second chunk is cleaning and working out, so stuff that is gonna have me feeling like grimy and stuff. So right after that I'll take a shower and then I'll work. That's the third chunk. And then the fourth chunk is that I have to complete my piece over there for art. So I'm thinking today for that I'm going to do the pencil stuff, because after like putting value with the pencil I plan on using micron pens to like outline them and stuff. Where are they? Yeah, but that's all the things that I have to do today. So yeah. Okay, so I am done with my chores. I washed my clothes and I dried them, and I worked out. I showered. Now I'm going to eat and do my reading for my notes that I didn't do yesterday. So I'll do the reading, do my notes. I already watched the Heimler video too for that unit, so I just need to finish the reading for that chapter and do my notes. And then after that, it's gonna be about 12 when I'm done.
12 o'clock. So I plan on taking a practice SAT test on Khan Academy because I'm having the PSAT on October 12th, which is like roughly 2 weeks from now. I haven't had a contest in the longest time, and I'm so excited. Currently 1:01. I just finished my notes, and it took 1 more hour than I thought it would. So yeah, I was just watching YouTube videos and taking the notes. But now that I'm done, I'm gonna go and get some water and take my practice SAT test on Khan Academy. So that was for the reading part of the practice test. The first couple passages, I like read them. There was even one about like the Constitution and stuff, and like because I was doing APUSH before I started this, I was like really interested in it, and those were the ones that I did really good on. But there was just some that I was like kind of like towards the end, I was like really over it and I just wanted it to end, so I just like went and like kind of skimmed through it and didn't like really pay attention that much. And those were the ones that I like got a lot of questions wrong on, but the first couple I did really good on. So I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break before I start the writing portion, and yeah, I'm gonna get some water and stuff. Just the writing and language part, but for now I think we're gonna go to the movies to see The Woman King, and I've really been wanting to see it because everybody on my feed has been like raving about it because there's a Nigerian actor in it and I really want to see it. So I'm gonna go get ready. Don't have my makeup. I feel like it looks like really different all the time because I covered my eye bags and I have really prominent eye bags because I don't sleep. I'm gonna pick a comfortable outfit just so I'm not cold and I can be like comfortable. This is what I'm wearing. It's just a green long sleeve and black white pants. Just got back. We got a Cold Stone ice cream. It was so good.
The movie was The Woman King. Okay, if you guys literally know The Woman King, it's so good. It's, bro, from like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's not just like, oh, it's good acting, or the cinematography was like, first off, the cinematography was insane. Second off, just down to like every detail of the accents and like, just like the clothes they were, and down to like, I don't know, the way they said words that were just like so accurate, like the geographical accuracy, like, it was so good. I love it. Forget 10 out of 10, it was a gazillion out of 10, it was amazing. I loved it so much. I'm going to go watch clips of it and cry myself, just like, because, yeah, you will cry.
This is where I'm currently at. Currently 7:40 and I've been going at it for like about 3-4 hours-ish because I finished my SAT prep around, I want to say 2:30-ish, I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna take a quick break and get some water, stretch my legs, and then we'll be back to try my best to finish this. I don't think I'm going to because, actually no, I don't have a choice. I'm not gonna say I don't think I'm gonna finish this because I literally do not have a choice. I have to finish it.
yeah.